Hi guys, welcome to another week of What's for Dinner. I'm showing you 3 meals I made for dinner this week. If you're new to my channel, I live alone and most of my recipes will be easy recipes. So let's get started. Alright guys, it's Monday. So for dinner tonight, I've been really kind of craving like veggie tacos. I want to saute some onions and like a yellow bell pepper. I'm going to add some black beans to it, avocado, maybe sour cream and cheese. So just something simple tonight. Alright, I have some black beans right here, so no meatless Monday? I don't know. I put these in the oven. These are flour tortillas, so it might be a little crunchy, I don't know. Alright, I just sauteed a little bit of onion and yellow pepper. So we're going to add that on top of the black beans. I think it's going to be good. So here is a little chopped tomato. This is actually a Roma tomato in case you're curious. Here we have some iceberg lettuce. And a little of avocado right here. And we have Mexican cheese. And a little bit of sour cream. I've had this before, it's really good. It's Hernandez salsa, mild. Alright, maybe to try my creation. I kind of just made up this recipe. I was actually, when I Google and I searched for veggie tacos, and the first picture that came up was something similar to this, a flour tortilla with cheese, avocado, black beans, sauteed peppers. And so that's why it was really crunchy. Right, let's try it out. That sour tortilla is really good. So good. Wow, this is amazing. Alright guys, for dinner tonight, I thought I would do more of a simpler meal. So it's just I have these turkey patties from Safeway. They come 4 in a pack. I thought I would just air fry them and make it like a sandwich out of them. I'm not really super hungry tonight, and then I thought I have some leftover tater tots from that casserole I made last week, so I thought I could just put this in the air fryer. So I'm going to try to put both in the air fryer. My air fryer is kind of small, so I'm going to try. If not, well, we'll see. We'll see. So I'm going to spice this up a little bit. I'm going to add some salt, some pepper. I have some garlic powder. And I'm going to try this 21 seasoning salute. You can get this from Trader Joe's. So I'm going to season both sides. Salt, pepper, some garlic powder, and more of this 21 seasoning salute. Alright, I'm putting this air fryer. So I do have some room for that tater tots, so that's good. Alright, I'm going to add a few tater tots in here. So I got this great air fryer. I had it for a while, but I've been noticing that it's kind of cracking right here. I don't know why. It was really cheap, like $50. I talked to my mom, and she was like, maybe because I put it on 400 degrees. So if you can see that, if you can see the highest temperature is 400 degrees, so I might just do a bit less. Maybe she's right, maybe it's too high. And I'm just gonna, I would say about 10 minutes. Yeah, I'll check it after 10 minutes. Alright, it just went off. Let's see how it looks. Oh wow, looks pretty good actually. I don't know if it's still pink inside. Tater tots look pretty good. Maybe a little bit extra. Well, turkey burger. Oh yeah, it's not quite done. Turkey burger is not quite done, so we're gonna flip that over because we'll just stir up the tater tots. Maybe another 5 or 10 more minutes. Maybe 10 minutes so it's like really crunchy. Alright, went off. Let's check it out. Alright, definitely the hash browns are crispier. I think this is done. As long as it's not pink inside. Just trying to find out if it's pink. Oh yeah, I think it's done. Yeah, it looks good. Alright, I'm gonna add some ketchup over the hash browns. That's how I like to have my hash browns. Let's try a hash brown first. Yeah, really good. Well, let me give you a taste test on that turkey sandwich. Here's a close-up. Let's try it out. Still steaming really hot. It's pretty good with that sourdough bread. Hey guys, it's pretty good. I would make this again. Alright, for today's meal we're going to make a shrimp boil on like a foil pack in the oven. I've never made this before, so it'll be my first experience. I could try it out. Hopefully it will work out. There's so many different recipes online and on YouTube with different temperatures in the oven, and you know, some people are saying cut the potatoes and the corn without heating it up. Some people are saying heat it up first. I think I'm going to heat it up first because this corn is frozen. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the potato maybe in 4s, heat up the corn in 5 or 10 minutes in boiling water. Then I'm just going to add the shrimp. I got this sausage, and it's not the sausage I normally get when I do a shrimp boil. It's like a Hawaiian blend Portuguese sausage. I don't know how it's going to go in the shrimp boil. I did not get lemon because I guess I was being kind of cheap, and it was very expensive for this lemon. It was like $1, over $1 or so. But yeah, we're gonna try it out. Hopefully it will turn out. I think this is great for one person. You put everything in a foil, put in the oven in 15 to 20 minutes. It'll be done. So yeah, I'm excited. Alright, now I'm going to sprinkle some Old Bay seasoning over everything. Alright, so I have some melted butter. I'm going to add a little bit of this garlic. And I'm just going to add some of this garlic to the batter and stir it really good. And I'm just going to add the butter, everything. Right now I'm going to add just a little bit of extra butter. If you're wondering why I'm adding like a lot of butter, maybe you think there's like too much butter, it's just because I saw this from a YouTube video. That's like the only reason, pretty much. And then we're going to sprinkle some pepper. Alright, now you just fold it up. Oh my god. Let's do this. Alright, ready to go. So I think I'm gonna say 400 degrees for 20 minutes. I don't know if it's, I'm hoping the potatoes will be all done. I hope it'll be done in 20 minutes, but I'm thinking it will be done, so let's give it a shot, guys. Alright, so I took it out of the oven. I did put it in there for 25 minutes, 400 degrees. So it's gonna be pretty hot. There's a lot of steam coming out of here. Yeah, a lot of steam. Whoa. Well, it smells good. I don't know if you see that garlic right there. Wow. Yeah, a lot of steam. This is going to be hot, guys. Oh no, hopefully, I think it's done. I think I'm going to have this going for 5 minutes. It seems really hot. Alright, let's go ahead and try the shrimp. Is still steaming. It's been about 4 to 5 minutes. I just can't wait that much longer. Just want to try it for you guys to see how it tastes. And would I get this again? Or would I try this again? I did do a shrimp boil on this channel. You can check it out. I boiled everything and there was a lot more sauce. There's not really that saucy in this one, but it was very easy. So here's the shrimp. Yeah, that's good. I'll try some of the sausage. Oh yeah. Potato. This one's a little bit like crunchy. I would say 5 more minutes would be better. This is good. Alright, let's try some of this corn. I'm gonna dip the corn in the butter, sauce, whatever. But yeah, this is good. Yeah, guys, this was really good. This is a good recipe. Especially if you live by yourself or you have maybe 2 people in the house. It's very simple. If you have 2 people in the house, you can make 2 foil packs. It tastes pretty good. So when I made this last time and I boiled it, it was a little more better because it was more saucier, I guess, more sauce. But it was definitely more complicated. This was so freaking easy, guys. Oh my god. So yeah, I recommend this dish. Yeah, I'm very excited. My first time making it. I would just do 30 minutes next time because the potatoes were a little bit hard. Some were soft, but some are really hard. So thanks for watching. If you guys have a recipe you want me to try, if you have a family favorite recipe, let me know. There's some things I don't like to eat. Like I don't like mushrooms. I don't like clams. I don't know. There's a few things I don't really like. I don't like a lot of cream. I don't like a lot of canned soup recipes. You know, if a casserole calls for a can of soup, I'm not really big on that. But let me know if you have a favorite recipe that you want me to make and share on this channel. Let me know. You can write me on Instagram, Karebear Eats. You can also write me on my email, eatwithkaren777@gmail.com. You can also write me in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great week, and I'll see you next week.